Hello everyone and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on a very important case, that is Gandaji Satwaji Shinde versus Ramchandra Bikaji Joshi, the case of 1979. By this appeal, appellant challenged the judgment of the High Court confirming the jurisdiction of the civil court to decide whether the person is an agriculturist or not, as held by the trial court. In return, appellant contended that Section 63 as inoperative on the basis of Section 70 Clause A read with Section 85 and Section 85A of the Tenancy Act, according to which the issue would have to be referred to the Mamlathar for decision and the civil court should have no jurisdiction to decide the suit. The issue which was raised in the case was whether the civil court has jurisdiction to decide the issues required to be settled by the Mamlathar under Section 70 of the Tenancy Act. So the judgment here was the focal point, according to law officers of James C. Wing, is that the controversy necessitates examining the relevant provisions of the Tenancy Act in pursuance to this honorable court observed Section 85 as bar on jurisdiction of the civil courts to decide certain issues, and Section 85A provides for reference of issues required to be decided by the competent authority set up under the Tenancy Act. On combined reading of Section 70, 85 and 85A, the legislative view appears to be that when civil suit properly brought before the civil court, it requires to be settled, decided or dealt with by the competent authority under the Tenancy Act. Reliance was placed in the case of Dhondi Thukaram Mali versus Dadu Peraji Adgale and Trimbak Garme versus Gangaram Mahatarba Yadav in support of the above observation. So basically what was held in the case is, it was held that the exclusive jurisdiction to decide the subsidiary issues is held by the Mamlathar, and even they are competent to hear such issues, not the civil court. That's all for the presentation. Thank you and have a great day ahead.